Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, team. We are looking at the SPY on the 1 year, 1 day chart. You can see we are leveling right on top of the SMA over here. So we definitely want to keep watch on the overall market. Looking at the market on the 180-day, you can see that we actually hit a low last night of 445. So we definitely want to watch to see if we break that 445 zone. You can see it a lot clearer on the 1 minute chart. You can see we hit 445.20 and we kind of like just bounced off of that zone. So let's see what happens. Jumping over towards the 20-day. 20 days a little bit more on the oversold side. If you look at the RSI, you can see it's a little bit more on the oversold side. 20-day MACD is trying to cross over. So we could get some type of momentum or upward bounce today. Let's see if we get above this trade line. CPI data wasn't too good. Inflation is really high. So that basically spooked the overall market. I think, in my opinion, we need to get above 449. If you jump over towards the 180-day, 449 would be the top of this trade line over here, which was previous resistance. So from 449, I think we could start getting up towards 453. If we start to come back down, watch for that 445 break, then we can start going down towards like 443 and possibly lower from there. MACD on the 180-day is crossed down. RSI is a little bit more on the oversold side, has room to go down, has room to go up. So definitely want to wait for key breakout zones. So on to the next stock, we're going to be talking about Tesla over here. Tesla actually hit 900 yesterday, over like a $30 drop on Tesla. So Tesla is still range bound, although it did drop like $30 yesterday. So watch Tesla today. See if we break that basically 895, then we could start testing 878. And then once we start to break 908, we could get into some long positions towards that 950 zone. Remember, today is same day expiration day. So everything is going to be same day expiration. Make sure you guys are cautious. If you're not willing to trade same days, get next week expirations to save you from the volatility. Other than that, next stock we're going to be talking about is NVIDIA. You can see NVIDIA hit the SMA on the 180-day chart. Normally that SMA does act as resistance when the stock is below it, acts as support when the stock is above it, as you see over here and over here and over here. So definitely want to watch to see what NVIDIA is going to do today. You can see it, MACD's crossed down, RSI is in the middle where it has opportunity for downside or up, but it's below the trade line over here. So definitely want to watch to see if we break 254, then we could start dropping down towards 250. If it finds some type of support at this 254 zone, you could break 258 and start retesting 265 on the video. Last but not least, we had a major drop on Affirm, right? So Affirm, basically the earnings came out before the bell even rang in the afternoon. So Affirm ended up dropping basically from $80 all the way down towards $50 to $2. So that was a crazy drop. Whoever seen that, whoever was in puts, congratulations on that one. But definitely want to see if there's going to be some more possible downside on Affirm. It is a little bit more on the oversold side, not only on the 180-day. If you look at the 20-day RSI is blue, but one thing I always say is when that RSI is still in the blue, we still have opportunity for downside until it comes out of that blue zone. And when it's still in the red, we have opportunity for more upside until it comes out of that zone. So looking at that, we're still in the blue. If you do go for a short position, do understand it is considered a high risk short position. But I think a lot of traders are going to be watching for this $48 break. You can see $48 was some type of support last month on the 27th. So watch for that $48 break. Then we could possibly drop down towards 40. It seems like a bad earnings miss, especially the way it happened. Let's see what happens if we find some type of support over here. If we start to basically find support and start to be a little bit bullish, it is oversold. We could see an intermediate bounce from like 56 up towards the trade line at 61. So I think that's going to be it. Hopefully you guys all have a green day. I'm not trying to overcrowd you guys with too many stocks. Keep it micro focused, keep a tight stop loss. Hopefully you guys all have a green trading day, and I'll see you guys in the chat room later.